It's a 38.
38? Okay.
38. So you thought you was a 42.
42, yeah.
So it don't go off the shoulders?
It's a 48.
48.
48 shoulders.
Yeah.
38 around here.
38 waist, 48
So,
shoulder.
But I just measure for suit and all. You just measure inside already.
Okay.
We don't measure for the shoulder yet.
oh, okay.
Yeah. If use the skinny, but the overweight and then probably we use the stomach.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
So then I should be looking for a 38 then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. Well, let's get them looking, baby.
London is looking for a birthday suit. And we looked up on this store, which has hella suits. Look at all of this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
They got the burgundy up there.
They got what?
The burgundy one and burgundy and blue. Remember those
Yeah.
two colors you said?
Well, we know that you like those colors. So you don't really gotta try them. I mean, maybe try it in here that size. A 38, because you was trying on what, 42?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. These is good suits though.
Yeah. That's a 48.
Okay, try it on. Look at the little baby suits. Well, if we go to that restaurant that Auntie Bridget went to, they'll need suits too.
Well, I would. Well, they don't have to wear a suit, but I would want them to at least wear something matches. Oh God, this is tiny shit. I can't get this on.
No, but you gotta go off.
Yeah, I can't
Well,
get
go off.
I can't get it
Go
up.
off your shoulders.
Look. No. Look how tight that is. I'm stuck like this. Get me out. This is a 38. Yeah. Oh yeah. Like literally stuck here. Let him do it.
Well, we know it ain't a 38.
Yeah, that's it. I hope I don't rip this thing, okay?
He like, I help. Don't rip our shit. Don't rip our.
Yeah, this is for slam.
Oh, for
Oh,
slam.
slam.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, see, look.
Look, we don't know what we doing. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Oh, he don't need. He need long.
Yeah, long. Yeah.
But
Okay.
I want it to fit, but to be honest, I want it to fit snug, like a little snug like this, but I won't be able to get out of it though.
So like you need like one more size up. You think, and then it'll be perfect.
This is for 40, right?
Yes, this is 40.
Okay, yeah. Try the 44.
44.
Mm-hmm. 44.
Or 42.
Yeah, this
Or
one.
44 long.
Yeah, 44 long.
Okay.
That fits you. The vlog for your birthday.
You late?
No, I've been getting a little footage.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Hopefully they send me this email because I ain't been logged into that account in a minute.
Guys, we have pulled up to our hotel and tell them what happened, bro.
Talking about now, like, accept China. Like, who the fuck don't accept China?
Like, if money can go,
It's a visa, right?
Right.
He said, "Do you have a visa?" I have a visa.
Not your visa, sir.
Right.
Yeah, but anywho, that's what we got going on right now. We just left London's birthday brunch. How was your birthday brunch? How was your birthday brunch?
My birthday brunch was good. Everybody there expected to showed up. We ate some food and had a good time. The food was mediocre though.
It was mid. That's the new word for it. Mid.
It was definitely mediocre, but it wasn't about the food for me. It was about spending time with my family.
We spent $100.
106 to be exact.
106 to be exact on some very mid food. But it was cute, aesthetic wise. London had, now the food sounds amazing. Now let me tell y'all, London had, what is it called? London had shrimp and chicken Alfredo omelet. Sound fire, right? I had peach cobbler French toast, cheesy hash brown eggs, and that's it. Oh, and I had catfish.
Yeah.
Yeah,
catfish.
Yeah, and all of it sounds amazing. We had like the sampler, what's that called? The sampler, what is it called? Mimosas.
Yeah.
And
I might not even need to.
we had the sampler mimosa, and those drinks were strong. And I didn't finish them because we are traveling with the kids. There go Legend. Ooh. So I didn't drink it, but London drank them all. So
I'm down with all.
he feel it.
I'm definitely toasted.
That's why he passes your princess right now. Don't get used to it. Anywho, so yeah, that's what we got going on. Hopefully we can get into this hotel because we canceled our other one. Yeah. Liam went with Auntie Bridget. He was like, "Yeah, I'm out of here."
Yeah, he was like, bye, Mom, Dad.
Yeah.
She said it was 466 pesos.
Oh!
Nobody wants all of that. I clicked on something and it said Kiki and you and your sister was in there shaking y'all booty.
What?
On TikTok.
Pop said he didn't found a TikTok of me and my Pop said again. Pop said again.
What?
What'd you find?
You and your sister in there shaking y'all booty?
On TikTok?
On TikTok. I said, I'm telling London.
You can be on YouTube. I do not believe you.
I promise you. If I had my glasses, I'd flash. I don't know, was y'all at your house?
I don't know.
It said Kiki. It look like you and your sister. It's real simple. It's on me? Real nice.
Good morning, guys. We have made it to the pool. We got it all to ourselves. Look at Legend. You ready to get in the pool? Yeah. So, pool time. I can't because I got your brother. We gonna come though.
Mommy.
Yes.
I want to give you. I want to give you. I want to see. I want to give.
Wow.
Yeah. No.
Get it, Major. Get it. Show the vlog back.
Right, getting good rest, either on the bar or the phone. I'm the reason niggas got deals the past few years. Sound anything. You start drunk, tricks on the inside, leave you missing. And blame it on the liquor. It works, ain't tough. So on me, give it to it to the lonely. Love when they got me.
Are you hurting your body? Are you gonna hold it again? No. Hold your bottle. Overweight, huh? I caught it.
When we played Little League, that's where the schools played at. That's where the, not schools, but the surrounding departments or organizations played. They had all the playoffs was there or championship games.
You won your Super Bowl then?
I won my first Super Bowl when I was 9 or 10, I think.
And now look at you. Old as fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, and I can't say I've only been to one since then.
What, one Super Bowl?
One championship since then when we was in Rochester.
Guys, it's London's birthday! Woohoo! Hopefully y'all can hear us with the windows going because it's hot. And yeah, how does it feel to be 30?
Honestly, it feels good.
Yeah.
I definitely been noticing like the change. The changes this age has brought. Like I've been feeling it way before today. Like just the maturity and the value of shit that I don't do no more. Like I just noticed a lot of changes.
Yeah, like what?
Like one, like I don't like to deal. I don't deal with drama no more. And that shit is completely out of my life. I don't give a fuck who it is. It's over with. Anything drama related or it's negative. I'm not dealing with it. A part of my. It's not gonna be a part of my life no more.
Okay.
It's over with.
What else?
Just mentally, I learned to actually control what I can control. That's what I can say. Don't let a lot of shit get to me no more. Don't let a lot of shit worry me no more. I just take things one day at a time. It's the best thing that I can do.
That's power. Have you had a good birthday experience?
I don't know if I would say a great. I ain't gonna say it. It's been good. Yesterday definitely wasn't good though. That's for damn sure. I'll never do a festival again.
Yeah. told London, let's take a trip for your birthday. It's your 30th birthday, let's take a trip. He's like, I want to go home. Do you regret that decision?
No, because I still got to see my family, which, like I told you, was the most important thing I wanted to do.
Right.
I didn't give a damn about nothing else but to see. I wanted to see my family, and I wanted my babies to see my family.
Right. And we did that.
And that's what we did.
We're on our way to family now.
I got tracks.
Ooh. Well, his birthday is a day after his aunt's birthday.
Yeah, my
so
auntie's birthday was yesterday.
it's always nice to, like, you know, kind of do something
Together.
with them together. Yeah. And so we went bowling. I think I got a little bit of footage of that. But yeah, so your dad, you're gonna have to watch the video. Your dad said he found my TikTok and me and my sister was twerking.
He found your TikTok.
Yeah, he said
What?
it came up talking about Kiki Lovelace, and then it was me and my sister twerking. You gotta see the video. He talking about y'all was like,
Who knew my dad was even on
Like,
fucking
why
TikTok?
are you on TikTok,
Exactly.
sir? But he said it came up as like his suggested friends or whatever.
Yeah, that's probably because he got your number.
Yeah.
Your numbers, your contact sync and shit, and pull them up.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're on our way to have, I don't know what we was thinking as far as the barbecue. We were supposed to be at the beach today.
Yeah, that didn't
And it
happen.
would have been a perfect day because it's hot, but we're going to have to do that tomorrow. But yeah, we're on our way to Aunt Bridget's house to do some barbecue, a little family time. And later, I don't know what we're doing later, but stay tuned. Look how you just holding that head up like you grown. Hi, legend.
Passcode when you unlock the phone.
Hi, legend. Okay. Moms, are you coming?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
You too.
Happy birthday, dear London and Bridget. Happy birthday to you. Yep.
Blow out the candles and make a wish. Let your feet go backwards.
London, what you doing?
How old are you?
30. Woohoo!
Give me a plate so he can blow them out with the plate.
Like,
Birthday to you.
I look rough. But I am at Dollar Tree trying to find stuff for Liam to go to the beach. And look at this little thing. I think this is cute. We got little beach totes. I like this. Trying to figure out if I should get a beach towel. But I do like this. They got like other little stuff where we could play like these. You know what I'm saying? I think that'll be fun. I'm gonna get that too. Let's see what else they got. Should I get a beach towel? Because we don't have now. They got the pails right here. I think he might like a pail. You know, kids like pails. It's only $1. So I'll probably get a pail. But they got blue up here, so I'll get him blue. Okay. So we got those 3 things. I think that's it. It's your first time at the beach? Yeah. It's your first time at the beach? Yeah. The beach. Are you at the beach? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Show me your swim trunks. Show me, what kind of swim trunks you got? Minions? Yeah. This is the beach.
Beach time.
The boys.
ready to go to the beach, man? Yeah. You excited? Gonna run around the sand.
Okay, you ready? So we gotta dig up the dirt. Dig, 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 dig. And then we gotta go like this. We gotta push it down real hard. Yep, dig. Okay, now look at mommy fish, starfish. Oh, that was a fail. That was a fail. Okay, now you can use this too, baby. You gotta fill the pail up. You gotta fill it all up. So you get one and I get one. And we gotta fill it all the way up. Oh, be careful, baby. No, that's not what you're doing. You grab it and you put it in there.
You hit us with the sand. Cigarette butts all in the dance.
Yep. Good job. We gotta fill it up so we can make a sandcastle.
Yeah, use your other hand.
Fill it all up. Nope, but it's not filled up. We gotta fill it to the top. Yeah. Look, we're getting to the top. We're getting to the top.
Sand.
We're getting to the top. Almost. Keep going. Keep going. Let you put his feet in the sand. Okay, you ready? Wait. We gotta make sure it's all good. Okay. Now we gotta tip it over. Let's make room for it. So we gotta dig. Okay, you ready to tip it over? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we gotta dig around it. Here, which one you want? Orange or blue?
Orange.
Okay. You gotta dig around it. Nope. You gotta dig around the castle. Dig around the castle. Dig around the castle. Okay, you ready to pull it up?
Yeah.
You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Should we make another one? Yeah. Okay. You fill it up this time. You and Daddy fill it up, and I'm gonna feed your brother. Okay?
Daddy.
Keep putting it in there. Should we make this one better than the first one?
Excuse us?
Yeah, my oopsie.
We did it too much. We almost did.
Almost there, yeah.
Some more. Yeah, make sure it's all the way smooth. should we put it? Oh, Bubba, wait, man. Just knocked it all out. No, Bubba, it's not ready. You keep knocking it out. All right, ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you gotta dig around it. You gotta make a path around it.
You ready?
You ready?
You ready?
Yeah, you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Yeah.
Let's 3, 2,
Ready? Count down.
Are you done?
1.
Oh! Okay, show the camera both of them.
Look. So look. That's the one mommy did, and that's the one me and you did. Oh, can you see it?
Okay.
See it?
You don't want to put your feet.
It's just so expensive down here.
Yeah, I just love like this. This reminds me of like all the movies and shows and stuff. And look at this neighborhood. So freaking cute.
This is all apartment buildings, so.
Yeah.